Authentic Sonoran Coyotas. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 15 pieces. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams all-purpose flour, 250 grams vegetable shortening, a half cup warm water, 1 tablespoon piloncillo, 1 pinch salt, a half teaspoon baking powder, 250 grams piloncillo, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 piece egg. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line to large baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the 500 g of flour, salt, and baking powder. This ensures a light, airy texture in the crust. Step 3. Add the chilled vegetable shortening to the flour mixture. Using a pastry cutter or your fingertips, work the fat into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs or wet sand. Step 4. Dissolve the 1 tablespoon of piloncillo in the warm water. Gradually pour this liquid into the flour mixture while stirring with a wooden spoon. Step 5. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead gently for 3 to 5 minutes until smooth and elastic. Do not overwork it, or the pastry will be tough. Step 6. Divide the dough into 30 equal-sized balls, testales, roughly the size of a large walnut. Cover them with a clean kitchen towel and let rest for 20 minutes. Step 7. While the dough rests, prepare the filling by mixing the grated piloncillo, 2 tablespoons of flour, and ground cinnamon in a small ball. The flour is the secret to keeping the syrup inside the pastry. Step 8. On a floured surface, roll out 2 dough balls into thin circles, approximately 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Step 9. Place about 1.5 tablespoons of the piloncillo mixture in the center of one circle, leaving a half-inch border around the edges. Step 10. Place the second dough circle on top. Press the edges firmly with your fingers to seal, then use the tines of a fork to crimp the edges all the way around. Step 11. Prick the top of the coyota to 2-3 times with the fork to allow steam to escape during baking. This prevents them from exploding. Step 12. Transfer to the baking sheet. Brush the top slightly with the egg wash and sprinkle with a tiny pinch of granulated sugar. Step 13. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the coyotas are beautifully golden brown and the edges are crisp. Step 14. Remove from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for at least 10 minutes. The filling will be extremely hot and needs time to set into a thick syrup. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.